Digits on the beat.
Right then, so yeah, you meet me in the evening time, playing Fortnite with Paul's son. So yeah, we're gonna have a few games on this, and then tomorrow we'll work on the mini. So yeah, let's go. So yeah, welcome back. Just a little intro from last night and that. So we're now in the garage and that. So yeah, the first job is we're going to spray the bumpers, and after that we're going to move on to doing electrical connector for the starter motor. But starter motor still got problems with. Got the flywheel in, and every time I try and start it, you can just hear the starter motor just whizzing round and that. So I need some advice on that if anyone's got any ideas of what to do in that. Yeah, so I'll do this. Right, so in the engine bay, you come down to the starter motor here. You've got this wire, brown with a red stripe, that goes on the top as a terminal. So what I've got to do is move those bits out of the way. Yeah, so what we've got to do is put a bigger terminal on the end of that wire and put it in there, and then just move the coil. This oil pickup pipe is leaking quite bad, so I've got some the new washers to go on, which hopefully sort out the problem. But these leads are filthy. I can't believe how dirty they've got just from sitting there. I think that engine's looking really nice. Really pleased with that. Yeah, so I'll just get on with doing that. Right, and so thank you very much everyone for tuning in this episode and that. It's been really appreciated. This might probably be the last one for a little while and that. But what I was going to say is we're hopefully going to start polishing the bodywork this week. So I'll try and get some videos. Probably going to start off with the bonnet first, just to see how it goes. Work our way around. Tartan red's on its way, just to finish off the doors, and then hopefully maybe tomorrow I'll lacquer the roof as well. Lacquered the roof and boot lid. The bumpers, I've painted them and lacquered them, but it's looking a bit patchy. There's little dots everywhere, which I not too happy about. Just need to sort them out and get some fixings for them. But yeah, apart from that, it's all looking good and that. So thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Please check out my social media below and go and follow those. And yeah, if you want a JTech sticker or Josh Smith sticker, please let me know, and then we can sort something out. Shout out going out to Paul's channel, the Juice Mini, I think. Link in the description for that as well. Go and check him out. His build's absolutely amazing, and what he's doing is absolutely crazy when you think of it. And yeah, good luck to him and that. So please go and check him out. Give him a like and thumbs up and that. Got to sort out this starter motor because I think I've got the wrong starter or the wrong flywheel. Basically, I got something wrong, but I'm learning, so there we go. Yeah, right. So yeah, I'll see you soon. So thank you very much, and yeah, cheers.